In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're creating a site to share with friends, colleagues, or even a wider audience, embedding a YouTube video can be a fantastic way to enhance your content and make it more engaging. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can seamlessly integrate YouTube videos into your Google site. First, we need to head over to Google Sites. If you're not already there, open up your browser and perform a quick search for Google Sites. You should see Google Sites appear as one of the top results, so go ahead and click on that link. Once there, you'll land on the Google Sites homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your sites, if you've created any before. Now simply choose the site you'd like to add a video to and click on it to open. With your site open, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the Insert option. It's located in the panel on the right, and this is our entry point to add a variety of media and elements to your page. Click Insert to expand your options, and you should see several choices pop up. Among these options, you'll find YouTube. Click on this to begin the process of embedding a video. At this point, you have a couple of ways to locate the video you want to embed. If you already have the URL of the YouTube video, simply paste it into the search box. Alternatively, you can search directly for the video by typing in the video title or relevant keywords. This flexibility makes it simple to find your desired video regardless of whether you have the link at hand or not. Once you've found the video you want to embed, click on it to select. You'll notice that the selected video appears in a preview. This is your opportunity to ensure it's the correct video before committing to the insertion. Simply click on Insert once you're confident in your choice. And there you have it. Your YouTube video is now embedded directly onto your Google site. You can drag and adjust its placement and size to fit perfectly into your page layout. This method not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also provides a richer experience for your visitors. So go ahead and explore different video content that can complement your site's purpose and theme. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you wish to add more video content. We hope this tutorial helps you create more interactive and engaging Google sites. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.